Okay, I'm going to show you my VW T4 steering wheel. I've removed it. It's a 24mm socket. So all you have to do is undo the nut. I've marked on the cover where the wires go back, brown, black to that side. That just clips in there like that. Remove the spade connectors there. The problem with my wheel, I took it off, the reason being is it's not bonded, moves back and forward, so it's lost its grip inside. So I've run a blade, like a Stanley knife blade, down a partial bit of it for now, like that. Then what I intend to do is experiment, see if I can glue it. That's like steel inside there, can you see that? Steel. So I'm just going to do a trial piece, spray some inside there and some inside there, and then just see what happens. Right, I've tried the trim fix, I've tried other carpet adhesive, no good. So now I'm back to the super glue with mitre fast. What you do with the mitre fast, you spray it in there, it's like an activator. Then I've been putting blobs in there of super glue. See, I've done this little bit here, so I'm going to have to do it in stages. I think you can't do it all in one go, it's too much. So I'll do it in like a couple of inches at a time. And obviously here you need to put super glue on the edge, but that's there. Just done that bit there. That seems to have bonded it. It's quick, the activator. Use the activator as well. Spray that in first, then blob some super glue here and there. Particular attention you need to the edge, then that seems to do the job. Right, so it dries fairly rapid, the activator, but if you want it to go off a little bit quicker, use a hair dryer as well, and then just say keep doing it in 2 or 3 inches at a time, I would say. And I think I've got it there. Okay, that's sealed that, look, gripping it in my hand, it's not twisting, as opposed to this side. So I've got to do that next. I need to cut from there to there, let's see, but that's no good to anyone, that's it. But that is, yeah, it's got it, that's good. And is, once it's stuck, bought a kit off of eBay. It's a leather cover, and it comes with needle and cotton, and obviously I have to position that at the bottom, that's where the join is. And then I assume once it's over like that, then you just go around sewing it all up. First things first, I'm going to start off at one of the spokes there. I've levelled the main stitching bit there into the centre at the bottom. So what I'm going to do there, I've gone actually through the leather on the holes, and I'm going to tie that initial bit off as a knot so it's secure, and then work my way around. It's not come along too bad. I mean, there's spokes that are a bit awkward getting around that, but that's as best as I can do there. Like that. That's not too bad, I don't think. It's not going too bad. I'm going into weaving it through, sort of zigzagging across, and then when you get to this bit where the spoke is, I'm just weaving it through there, and then I shall pick up there again in a minute. What I found, when you get to this part, go through once through and then double it over, and then it stops it unwinding, so it sort of locks it in place. So go through once, round again and again, and then like that, pull it tight, and that's all good. And then when you get to here, you keep going through just like that till you get to here again, then you have to pick up on that again there. Right, okay, then just remember, like that, underneath the thread every time, just keep crossing it over. This bit is more or less plain sailing, the other bit around the spokes is a bit awkward obviously, and then every now and again just keep pulling it tight like that. Don't look too bad. Come along alright there. What I've found, if you get a problem where it starts to slacken up, get yourself a screwdriver, you put that in underneath, lift it, and in the meantime put your thumb there to hold it, then move along to the next bit, put your screwdriver in, lift the thread up, hold it. Keep doing that, lift your thread up, hold it, lift your thread up, hold it, till you get to the point where you're there, and then you can pull the thread up. And as I say, on that particular bit, I've doubled it over, and then that holds it then, because obviously we've got to do the crossover bit here, like that, but it's coming along. Slow process. And the very last thing, what I'm doing, drop of super glue, cut the thread off where the knot is, and just dab a bit of super glue on there and just press it down with my finger, and that'll stop it coming undone. See, I've done that just there as well.